different choices. So first is the well charts, and just start to search the well charts. So I just find it. We have a well chart in this part, and it is connecting. And now it is connected. Then I can control these well charts by. Oh, sorry, 我把这个连上，来吧。So I just connect to another well chart. So here is this one is, then I can control the directions with these well charts here. Okay, just move this one. Oh, you can go to the, oh, sorry. So this is our another one, and they can show this. And on this application, you can search all data you need for these well charts, like the speed and the power, all this one. So I just connect it, search again. Hmm. 到底是连的哪一台？你这条关了吗？你电源关掉了？我说怎么连不上？那台关了呀。嗯？没事，它后期可以剪的嘛，我先把它调出来。Okay, so it's power on. 哪个？哦 ，sorry。Okay. So on this application, we have some buttons, so like the alarm noise, LED light. And you can change to the floating mode and with the so first if you want to float it, and you can see just press the buttons on the application here, float into a small size here. And to unfloat it, samely press this button. Yeah, I'll show you again. It's quite simple, and on the application we have got these buttons. Press it, so you can see the wheelchairs just float inside. And if you want to unfloat it, yeah, simply press this button. Yeah, it's quite smooth and quiet. So if you do not want to float it, and you can also control the directions with this application. First, just the power on. And second, you can control the speed. First, like we have the 5 different levels of the speed. For now is the first, and you can change to the 2 level, 3 level, and anyone. You can adjust the speed here. Yeah, with these settings here. And we have moved into the Bluetooth control here. So yeah, with this application, you can control this voucher by go ahead, go reversing, and turn right, turn left. So can you see it clearly here? And also in this part, it has the message of the power bank. So it is full. The power bank is full now, 100%. And by control, go ahead, go reversing, and turn right, and turn left, and also make a circle. So it's easy to control. Even if you could not find the remote control, you can also connect it with the application. Yeah, use your smartphone to control the voucher. 哪个镜头呢？这么多的，我不可能每个都。See that? Yeah, go reversing, go ahead. Quite simple. I just introduced before that we have 3 different methods to control the vouchers. The first is you can control with the joystick first when you set on the voucher. And the second is you can control the voucher with this remote control in my hand. And the third way is that you can control this with our Airwheel application. Yeah, you can control it with the your smartphones. So it's a quite intelligent and smart product for you to use. You know that in this model like today, people cannot live without the smartphones. So you will go anywhere with our smartphones. Then you can control the vouchers with our application, our application. Then I will show you again about the auto float function here. Yeah, first you need to power off this voucher. Second, and put into the float mode. Then you can float it. Okay, first, it's float into a small size slowly and quietly. You can never hear any noise of the machine. And then if you want to unfloat it, yeah, just press this button on this voucher. So it is not smoothly back to the normal size, Yeah, Yeah, so and then I will sit on these vouchers here to show you we have got another functions here. So I will just unconnect with the application, power off. Okay. And I want to control this voucher with the joystick here. And we have two different modes. So the backpack is adjustable. And first you need to change it to the DT mode. And then you can adjust the angle of the backpack here. So that this one is for some older people or disabled people. So they want to have a snap on this voucher. So they can just adjust the angle of the backpack here. And if you want to back it to the normal size here, okay, so this one. Quite simple, right? Just to change this one to the DT mode. And if you change it to the D1 mode, it is the joystick mode, then you can control these vouchers with these joystickers. Yeah. So that on these joystickers, we have got a big LED screen, so you can see all the data, all the messages on show on these screens with the power bank, speed, and mode. Anything you want is shown on the LED screen here. So it's quite convenient product here. And another function is this is our upgrade model of the vouchers. You can see that we have do some upgrade with the CSAT. We have three different modes. First is the massage mode, and second is the heating mode, and the third is the fresh cold air mode. So that is one is quite useful function for the elder people. Yes, when they sit on these wheelchairs, if they feel cold and they can start the heating mode. So this seat will rapidly heat and give the heat to so just to press the contact part. We have the massage machines here, so they can do some massage with this backpack. Yes, quite simple. This is our brand new model in this year, and we launched in the early of this year. Yeah, so and then I will show you again about our patented function, the auto floating mode. First, that you can float it with the joystickers. Yeah, just don't forget to close this power of the joysticker here, and then first press the button on the screen for 3 seconds. Yeah, so these vouchers will float into a small size automatically. And you do not need to use your hand because normally the floatable showcase in the market is not automatic. You need to float them into with your hand. So this is quite bad for the elderly or the disabled people. Yeah, it's great hard work to float it themselves. And with our auto floating function, it's quite simple, and they just need to press the button on the joystickers, and these machines will float or unfloat itself and automatically. And you just need to stand by and watch it. So I just to show you again, press this button in 3 seconds and it will automatically float into a small size. And the float size is quite small, so you can put this voucher into the car trunk, and when you go outside, it will save the room and unfloat it. So the machine is quite smoothly unfloat, and you can never heard any noises with the machines. It's quietly. Okay, so second method is our remote control. Yes, you can control the watches with the remote control in my hand. It's just the first. You can control it with the power on and power off. 啊，这个不是呀。哦，对的。哦，好的。So I just need to refresh it. Okay, let's start with our this one. Yeah, this it will come our HBT to show you the remote control. Okay, I just press put it on. Oh, sorry. And so that's important. Do not forget to change the mode of the motor here. We have two modes, electronic mode and the manual mode. Yeah. So it's power on. I just press the button on this remote control here. Yes, I do not use my hand. I just use this remote control in my hand. Like by control this wheelchair, go ahead, go reversing. See that you can hear the alarm noise when it go reversing, and like turn right, turn left, and also you can make a circle. Yeah, it's quite like a little robot. So that one, I think used for that when the elderly or disabled people, yeah, if they cannot move conveniently, they can use this remote control to control the wheelchairs to float or unfloat. So I will show you how to float these wheelchairs with this remote control. First, power off, and then press the B button for 3 seconds. So yeah, so the wheelchairs is float into a small size automatically. And if you want to unfloat it, same, press the button A for 3 seconds. So you can see it clearly. We have the A, B, C, D, yeah, 3 buttons on the remote control. And if you want to float it, B button for 3 seconds. Yeah. And if you want to unfloat it, to press the button A, 3 seconds. Okay, so with the powerful power bank and the long distance of our wheelchair could be 13 kilometers, I just powered on and show you how to control the directions of these wheelchairs here, like go ahead, go reversing, and also you can control the speed of it. Yeah, so we have 5 different levels of the speed. You can control the speed, like adjust the speed which you like. So it's quite fast now. I want to it be slow. Yeah, so I changed it to the 1 level of the speed. So it's much slower. Yeah, I would like to show you again about the auto float function, because that our company Airwheel have got the patent for this function of the auto floating function. So that is quite unique function in the world, because that's the normal whale charts, the floatable whale charts in the market. Need to float it with your hand. Yeah, so this one is automatically float. I'll show you again about automatic float function with this remote control. First, press this button B for 3 seconds. And you can see that this machine, this wheelchair float into a small size smoothly. And also, then you can put this wheelchair into your car trunk and storage in your room. Yeah, secondly, if you want to unfloat it, press this button A for 3 seconds. So just stretch out, come back to the normal size here. See that? It's quite convenient and easy for you to control. Yeah. And the third way to control this control is the application control. So first you need to download our Airwheel application. Yeah, so this is the application of our Airwheel application, and you open it. So we have different choices. First is the whale charts, and you need to open the Bluetooth. Yeah. So this is connecting now, and you can search the devices. So you will find, okay, search the devices. In here, we got this one. So I'm connecting with this virtual here. So I'm connected, and then I can control the virtuals. Can you see it clearly? Here I can control the virtuals. Okay. Yeah. You will. Yeah. So power on. It's powered on. It's some error on these virtuals. Okay, I just power off. Oh, sorry. Don't forget to change the mode of the motor mode to the electronic mode here. Okay, so it's on here, and here we have some settings like the speed. Yeah, we can change to 1 to 5 levels. Which one? Adjust the speed here. Yeah, and also this part shows the battery of these vouchers here. And so for more, and here we have got the alarm noise and the LED light button here. 我想把它弄过来。我又 边点我又忘记了，哪边点我又忘记了。哦 So here we have come into the Bluetooth control here. So you can see that you can control it by go ahead, go reversing. Okay. Go ahead, go reversing, and turn right, turn left. Also, let's make a circle here. It's quite simple to control the wheelchairs. And here we can see the battery. So for now, it's 100% battery. Go reversing, go reversing. And also here we can choose the speed 1, 2, 3. It's quite fast. The max speed of our wheelchair is 6 kilometers per hour. Okay, so I'll show you how to float these wheelchairs with this application. And just back to the main page here and power off and put into the float mode. Then we have got these buttons, float, unfloat. Press it. See that the wheelchairs just float it themselves. Okay, unfloat it. And you do not need to use your hand. Just control it and unfloat it. It's quite smoothly and slowly back to the normal size. And it's quiet. You can not hear any noise of the machine here. Yeah, have you clear about this function? And if you want to back to the Bluetooth mode, and you can hear. Okay, put powered on and enter into the Bluetooth control here. So in this application with your smartphones. And with the powerful, okay, the speed is quite too fast and I can set into a little slower.